Welcome back to Wonder Wee Ones.
Hi kids! Today we are going on a fun adventure through the seasons of India. We will see how the weather changes, what cool things happen, and how people and animal enjoy each season. Are you ready? Let's jump into the magic of the four seasons. First up, we have summer. This is the time when the sun is shining super bright and it gets really hot. In India, summer usually starts in March and goes until June. It's the perfect time for ice creams, cool drinks, and playing in the water. Summer is the perfect time for enjoying juicy sweet mangoes that make every sunny day extra special. In summer, we also celebrate colorful festivals like Holi, where everyone gets to play with bright colors and have a blast. Don't forget to stay hydrated and wear your cool summer hat. Next, we have the monsoon season. This is when the rain comes pouring down, starting in June and ending in September. The rain makes everything look fresh and green, and it's a great time for jumping in puddles and splashing around. We can see a rainbow during the rainy season when the sun's light shines through the raindrops and creates a beautiful splash of colors in the sky. In this season, we get to use colorful umbrellas, cozy raincoats, and splashy gumboots while enjoying the pitter patter of raindrops. It's also a magical time when everything turns lush and green, making the world look fresh and vibrant. Monsoon is also a time for yummy treats like spicy pakoras and sweet jalebis. Plus, we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival with lots of music, dancing, and delicious food. Now let's talk about autumn. This season is from October to November. The weather starts to cool down and everything turns a beautiful golden color. It's a great time for family get togethers and enjoy the outdoors. During autumn, we celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights. People decorate their homes with pretty lights and have fun with fireworks. It's also the time for delicious sweets like laddus and burfis. Finally, we have winter. This season lasts from December to February and it gets cooler, especially in the north of India. It's the perfect time for cozy sweaters, warm drinks, and playing in the fog. In winter, we celebrate festivals like Lori and Makar Sankranti. There are bonfires, kite flying, and lots of yummy food. It's a great season to explore new places and have fun outdoors. So, there you have it, kids. The 4 amazing seasons of India, each with its own special fun and festivities. If you enjoy our seasonal adventure, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos. See you next time.
Thank you for being a part of our Wonder Wee Ones journey.